I have no idea how I'm gonna go about this, so... Okay. Hi. I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. Hi. My name is Caleb Ely. I also have been going by the name Kai lately. Something's about to happen. I don't know what. I don't know when. And I don't know how. But something big is going to happen in my life. That is for certain. I've been working my butt off. Constantly. Day in, day out. On so many different things. Making jewelry, working on the house, trying to work at my job to save up money. I'm in debt above my eyes. Like, I stress on what I'm gonna eat for the day. Every day. What's my next meal? How much is it gonna cost? How many times today can I eat? How many times, or how little can I eat? I am terrified. I'm beyond terrified, honestly. I'm stepping into a world that I'm not sure of how I'm gonna make it. All I know is that all I want in life is modeling and acting. I love it. I enjoy it so much. I've done a few projects, few films here and there, but I live for it. Like, I haven't got enough yet, and I don't think I'll ever get enough. I refuse. I don't know. I'm at a loss for words right now. My phone's broke. I'm at a really low paying job. I don't know. I'm honestly just a mess right now, and I'm trying to get stability. Yeah, I'm honestly just, I feel like I've been building my life out of paper straws. Like, I feel like nothing is certain right now, and being behind on so many different bills, it's just too much. And yeah, I'm losing my mind. I'm trying to figure out my life right now. It's the best way I can put it, honestly. I'm stressed, tired, I can't think straight. I deserve better. A lot of us do. I did. I've been watching a lot of motivational videos the past 4 hours now. It's 2 a.m. in the morning, and I still cannot sleep. I can't. I have to be up super early, like so extremely early, because I need to make a move. Job-wise, financially, I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it doing the same thing I've been doing. I'm just not. That's the truth of it. It's not cutting it. I do have a lot of film projects and a lot of opportunities coming. I have so many ideas, so much motivation, so many things that I want to do that can't. It's just one thing after the other. Hit after hit after hit. And I can't stop. If I stop pushing, then that means I've settled. I've settled that I've given up, and I'm not about to do that. Because I know I can do better. I know I can get better. Especially in acting. I'm still learning. I'm pushing every day, day in, day out. What can I do to get better? What can I do to, you know, evolve, to grow? And it's tiresome, but I'm making it. I'm really proud of the most recent audition tape that I made. I am really proud of that. I still have the music video in Nashville to do, the film project for the college, another film project for next year. There's a lot coming. There's a lot to do, but I need to prepare for it now. Because right now, if it's like, hey, we need you to like come to this state or go here, I need to be able to afford it. I need to be able to afford to fix my house. I need to be able to afford to just live. I want to be able to eat. I want to be able to eat and not stress so bad. I want to be able to eat 3 meals a day from just one on my own. Just for myself, I want to be able to I want to be able to cook again. Sorry, this is getting rough. That's another thing I'm passionate about is food, and I can't enjoy it. Not lately, anyway. Not as of lately. I think I just need just a good amount of sleep and some good food, which I did eat good this past weekend. I did, but I want to be able to do it on my own. Yeah, just once. This is me being transparent. I feel dumb. I feel really dumb. Anyway, Jesus. Oh, this is okay. Yeah. I'm gonna close the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day and take care of yourself. And hope to see you again soon. Hopefully after I get the phone fixed. Bye.